Hey, Janelle. This is fabulous. This is just, it really, really, I think it's come together just beautifully. And you know what? I can't find anything that I would do differently. I know that I'm talking about pentagram. That was a good idea right there. And I did agree. One of your classmates said that that pentagram was just kind of hanging, dangling there. Okay, so there's a couple of things about your typographic compositions, and I can see now the formula of the page is that you have the mark type and then the towering image um, type and the towering image. Okay, and then over here, so you've got these alternating images that are pushing up in the composition, and I understand now why you're using that for the working with pentagram and why that image is so expansive. I get it now. Sorry, I missed that the first time around. I mean, feel free to describe things like that to your instructors. If we miss something, by all means, by all means, fill us in. We make mistakes, and I did. I did not see that. So I would, for one, be very gracious if you were to say, "Hey, I did that for a reason, and here's the reason." Okay, then you know what I'm saying. So, and okay, so typographic compositions. Now, I think that there's a couple of things going on here. I think that what's happening is you're pushing this to center alignment. And I think that's a big mistake. I really do. I think that here's another center. Here's another center. See, these have all turned into center alignment. And they were, if you look at New York City Ballet, it's not center aligned. It's left aligned all the way. Paula Shear is somewhat, I mean, she's going to use a lot of left alignment, a lot more than you're going to see center composition. I guarantee you that is for sure. So what I'm thinking is taking this. The word "the" is really big, anyways, and I'm just thinking of just taking that maybe right over here. Okay, we'll get it left aligned. We'll reduce the weight of the on top of the composition, so it doesn't look like it's squishing things instead of resting on them or behind them, as it were. The weight of this just makes it look like it's squishing everything and pushing it down. And I don't think that's exactly quite what you're going for. So, and then this is good too, but if we could pull that and, or even an ampersand, or, you've used a wonderful special character there, why not think about it here? Or maybe even a plus sign, I don't know, but maybe something interesting there, and just to create a little bit more left alignment. Maybe we can let's pull this a little bit closer to join these so that they're definitely very, very closely related. And think about it, but again, the center alignment is just, I think it's going the wrong direction. I noticed something up here. Oh, that is not an alignment. Let me command-R this so we can bring some things up here. Watch this guide right here. Okay, see that's the subhead right there is not an alignment, but the other ones are. See what I'm saying? So I thought that was a little weird. Here's another one here that's in alignment, but that one's not. See? So so same thing. Working with pentagram. Pentagram is really small. The word "small" pentagram is, as we know, pentagram is it's a giant in the industry. So when you're standing among giants, I think that the working with is overshadowing what should be taking precedence in here. I mean, if I worked at Pentagram, I would definitely want that to be highlighted. So I think that pentagram should be a little larger, working with maybe not quite with the visual weight. And then again, let's get that left aligned. Boy, that's just going to look so good over there. It's going to look so good. Try it. Tell me if you like it. If you do, change it. If not, it's your design. Stick with it. Have a reason for your decisions. I wouldn't mind seeing page numbers on here. Don't forget, odd pages on the right always. Okay, print it out, man. Let's go. Let's get this thing. Let's get it mocked up and photographed. I can't wait. This is awesome. Take a look at the videos. There's a couple of them. It takes a second to wrap your head around imposing pages, and really you have to build a model for your really to get it. And I show you how to do that in that video. So take a look. Let me know what you think. Okay, thanks, Janelle.